After the oil crisis at the beginning of the 70s, we had big retrofit programs, notably in social housing. And so we changed the windows with airtight windows. We changed the envelope with the external or internal insulation and so on. And despite the fact that we had natural ventilation due to vertical chimneys, I don't know the English word exactly, but it was not natural ventilation due to the opening of windows. It was a design ventilation system which was installed in nearly all the multi-family buildings stocked in France. So despite this, as we didn't allow the air to enter in the bedrooms, notably, we had big mold problems we had many of pictures with very impressive problems due to mold. And I think that we had a high concern in France concerning the humidity management.
You could almost imagine you were talking about a problem now that we had a fuel crisis, there was large scale retrofit, and we discovered that we had problems with condensation, damp, and mold as a result of underventilating. It's almost as if history is repeating itself.